We're going to put it right through the front of that lawnmower down there at 50 yards. 50 cal.
Fire in the hole!
Good God.
Have ignition.
We have ignition. Lawnmower is on fire.
The breather button on.
No, it just bulged this out. Oh man, look inside.
Think you need a new flywheel.
Yeah.
Just say. Maybe a crankshaft too.
Look at the exit wound. Yes. Can you see the flames?
Oh yeah.
That's beautiful. Went out.
Sure that spout's malleable right now.
Man, look at this. Tore a spark plug.
I can see where it ignited immediately on going in.
Oh man. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. We was aiming we needed it down here, but it done what it needed to do.
Yeah.
Dude, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Look at all the shrapnel it threw and just peeled this
man.
back.
Yeah. It's just all bulged
Look at that. It'd have blew that plumb off if this rope wouldn't have been on.
Yeah.
It took it plumb off. That's round 2, baby. Took the head off of it.
I think you need a new pull rope.
I would get it every time. Right there, I guess.
Yeah. Well, where'd the tank go? Where'd the gas tank go?
Hell, boy.
Earmuff, Joe, earmuff.
Whoa. Just big dimple. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Tree wound.
And exit wound.
Where'd it go through the motor at?
Let's see.
Was it right through there?
It barely skimmed the top, I believe.
Okay. The block's not looking too good these days.
They took out that little magneto.
I think you're gonna need a new piston.
Gone.